Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this ultimate web scraper called Zyte. So let's dive into it. Zyte, formerly known as Scrapping Hub, continues to be one of the most powerful web scraping tools in 2025. It offers advanced API with features like automatic proxy rotation, smart band detection, headless browser support, and API-driven extraction with success rate above 95% on even tough websites like Amazon. It's a go-to solution for businesses that need large-scale, reliable, and ethical data collection. Another big plus is its strong compliance and security focus with iOS certification and a clear effort to ensure responsible scrapping. For enterprise and serious data team, Zyte delivers both power and peace of mind. However, Zyte isn't perfect. It comes with a steep learning curve for beginners, and its pricing can quickly become expensive for smaller projects. Some users have also reported issues with billing transparency, unexpected charges, and slow customer support when problems arise. While this drawback may turn off the freelancers or hobby site, Zyte's strength, scalability, accuracy, and enterprise-grade compliance make it one of the best options in 2025 for companies that treat web data as a serious part of their business. And that's it. I hope you found the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.